Hi there, Malin. Welcome back to the Tamil lesson. Hope that you are doing well. Okay, today we are going to turn our attention on another important verb tense, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's get started. This past perfect continuous tense also can be called as a past perfect progressive tense. We use this tense to talk about that action started in the past and continue into another point in the past. In other words, these tense represent an ongoing action that started and continued for some time in the past. Actually, it emphasizes the process of an action rather than the completion. Okay, run. Let's go to identify structure of past perfect continuous tense. This tense is formed by using had been plus main verb present participle form. Remember, here we use had been past participle conjugated form of verb have and verb to be. Okay, negatives are indicated by using not between auxiliary verb had and been, and also questions are made by exchanging subject and auxiliary verb had. Okay, run. Now we are going to learn about uses of past perfect continuous tense. We can use this tense to express ongoing action in the past continue into another point in the past. Remember, this tense is different from present perfect continuous tense because present perfect continuous tense indicate that action started in the past and continue up to the present moment. But past perfect continuous tense doesn't continue up to now. It we use to talk about ongoing action in the past. Okay, run. Let's go through some examples. Look at these examples. They had been talking for an hour before John arrived. Jack had been walking for 3 hours when he came home. By the time Sam found an umbrella, it had been raining for 10 minutes. Okay, look at the first example. They had been talking for an hour before John arrived. Okay, here first part of the sentence, they had been talking for an hour, comes with past perfect continuous tense because we use had been plus verb past present participle form talking. Okay, it talked about ongoing action in the past. Action started in the past and it continued up to another point in the past when John arrived, before John arrived. Okay, now it's clear we can use this past perfect continuous tense to talk about ongoing action in the past and it continued up to another point in the past. Okay, here action was progress until second action occurred before John arrived. Okay, look at the second example. Jack had been working for 3 hours when he came home. Here also Jack had been working for 3 hours comes with past perfect continuous tense. We use had been plus verb present participle form working. It also started in the past and it continued up to another point in the past when he came home. The second action occurred. It continued up to second action occurred when he came home. Okay, look at the next one. By the time Sam found an umbrella, it had been raining for 10 minutes. Here also it had been raining for 10 minutes comes with past perfect continuous tense because it indicates an ongoing action in the past that started at the past and also it continued up to another point that Sam found an umbrella. Okay, run. Remember, we can use this tense to talk about ongoing action in the past and it continue up to another point in the past. Okay, everyone. Now we are going to learn about another uses of past perfect continuous tense. This past perfect continuous tense can also be used to talk about cause of an ongoing action. It means that something happened as a result of ongoing action in the past. Here both of these actions occurred in the past and one of them occurred over a period of time. Okay, let's go through some example. Mike wanted to sit down because he had been standing all day at work. John was very tired because he had been running. The street was wet because it had been raining. Look at the first example. Mike wanted to sit down because he had been standing all day at work. Okay, here second part of the sentence because he had been standing all day at work comes with past perfect continuous tense. So we use had been plus verb ing form standing to show that ongoing action. And also here result show Mike wanted to sit down because he had been standing all day. Okay, when you look at this example, it's clear we can use this past perfect continuous tense to talk about that something happened as a result of ongoing action. Okay, look at the second example. John was very tired because he had been running. Here also second part, he had been running comes with past perfect continuous tense to talk about ongoing action in the past and also its cause. John was very tired. Okay, look at the last one. The street was wet because it had been raining. Here also second part, it had been raining comes with past perfect continuous tense because we use had been plus verb ing form raining, and also its cause explained from the first part of the sentence, the street was wet. Okay everyone, now it's clear we can use this past perfect continuous tense to talk about ongoing action and its cause in the past. Okay everyone, now let's identify how to make negative statement and questions with past perfect continuous tense. Remember, when you are going to make negative statement with past perfect continuous tense, so we can use not between auxiliary verbs had and been. And also when you are going to make questions, we can exchange subject with auxiliary verb had. Okay, let's go through some examples. Look at these examples. He had not been sleeping when you arrived. I had not been feeling well, so I sent him away. Had he been drinking when you found him? What had you been doing when you cut your finger? Okay, look at the first example. He had not been sleeping when you arrived. Okay, here we use not between auxiliary verb had and been to indicate negative statements. This is negative statement. Okay, look at the second one. I had not been feeling well, I sent him away. Here also I had not been feeling well. It's talk about negative statement in the past that continue negative statement in the past, and also we use not between auxiliary verbs had and been to indicate that negative statement. Okay, look at the next example. Had he been drinking when you found him? It interrogative questions. Sentence ask question. So therefore we use auxiliary verb had at the beginning of the sentence to ask question. Then we use subject. Then we use been plus verb ing form. Look at the next one. What had you been doing when you cut your finger? It also interrogative question. It asks more information about that question. So therefore we use WH question what at the beginning of the sentence, and also we use auxiliary verb had, then subject and been doing. Okay everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about what is the past perfect continuous tense. I hope that you learned something about past perfect continuous tense. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. See you soon with another lesson. Bye bye.